So today is the 26th of December 2011. It's Boxing Day. We had Christmas last night. Daddy just came yesterday as well, and we celebrated Levi's birthday. Now it's the morning after Christmas, and we're just testing out our birthday present. We got a nice camera. We tested out the panoramic view outside.
Birthday, Christmas.
Oh, sorry, not birthday present, but Christmas present. But Levi had a lot of birthday presents, so we're confusing birthdays and Christmas. But it's Jesus' birthday. Okay, that's the cake that Soko was just eating, and I'm about to complete. And thank you all.
Hi, Santa.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Testing 1 2.